Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we are putting on our digital armor. We're diving into seasonal e-commerce, specifically a site called Flora Grove. They're selling these beautiful cedar garlands, just in time for the holidays. And at first glance, the site looks impeccable. I mean, really professional. They're advertising 6-foot strands, great photos.
And the social proof is there, or it
Wait.
seems to be.
Exactly. It's got 4.8 stars based on, get this, more than 1,400 customer reviews. It just screams quality.
But that's our mission today, right? To unpack the key hallmarks of what our sources are calling a potential holiday cash grab, we want to give you the tools to spot these kinds of setups.
Okay, so let's jump right in with the most glaring thing, those 1,400 reviews.
Light, that suggests they've been around for a while.
You'd think so. But when analysts ran a security check on the domain, what did they find about its age?
Well, this is what the source material called a timeline impossibility. The domain for Flora Grove, it was registered just 13 days before the investigation.
13 days.
13. So if you do the math, the site is barely a month old.
So,
Yeah.
how is it even possible to get over 1,400 reviews in a month?
It isn't. It's just not. This is an aggressive strategy to build a quick veneer of legitimacy. They fabricate the trust instead of earning it.
Wow. Okay, so the timeline makes no sense.
Yeah.
What about ownership? I mean, who is actually running this supposedly trusted company?
Well, when the investigators looked into that, they basically hit a brick wall.
No transparency.
None. The domain was registered through a service called Domains by Proxy.
And that's specifically designed to hide the owner's identity, right?
Exactly. The address they listed just traced back to a generic proxy service out in Arizona. So no founder names, no company history.
Just a contact form?
Just a contact form. And that kind of operational anonymity, it signals a huge risk.
What kind of risk are we talking about?
It lines up perfectly with the pattern of a drop-shipping scam. The goal is to collect a ton of payments quickly.
Ship out cheap substitutes or
Yeah.
nothing at all.
You got it. And then they just vanish before the credit card chargebacks start rolling in. The anonymity is their escape hatch.
Which brings us to what you called the trust score paradox. The site shows these near-perfect ratings. But when you actually look for independent verification, say on Trustpilot or Reddit or any consumer forums,
Let me guess. 0.
nothing. A total ghost. Not one review.
And that's where the technical analysis comes in and just completely dismantles their credibility. Fraudulent websites are known for faking Trustpilot ratings, but this tool, Scam Detector, it doesn't look at the pretty interface. It analyzed 53 different factors.
And the score it gave Flora Grove was?
Abysmal. It got a trust score of 18.7 out of 100.
18.7. Wow.
Yeah. And the system classified it as new, suspicious, dubious. And what's more, it flagged high-risk activity related to phishing and spamming.
So it's not just about getting a bad product. They might be trying to harvest your data.
That's very likely part of the play, yes.
So, if we step back, we have a 1-month-old site, totally anonymous ownership, impossible review numbers.
And a security score that's basically on the floor.
It paints a pretty clear picture, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. And it raises a really provocative question for you, the shopper. Given how easily social proof like star ratings can be faked, what specific steps, steps beyond just checking the company's own website, should you take before you trust a brand that just happens to launch right in time for a major shopping season?